Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be instant noodle Rebus, which is instant. This is a bonus video, just trying it out to see how it tastes. Since in the outside shop they are actually selling Maggie Rebus, so Maggie Rebus, let's see how it tastes. Okay, so it's cooking time. Okay, just need to prepare a hard-boiled egg. Add boiling water, add in the eggs and cook for 10 minutes. Bring the eggs out and put in a bowl of water. This is to stop the egg from continuous cooking. If you got a perfectly nice egg, you will see that the yolk is pure yellow in color. If it's overcooked, you realize that the outer surface of the egg yolk will be green in color. So again, add boiling water, add in the Maggi. After 2 minutes, pour away the hot water and add in cold water. Add boiling water, add in 3 tablespoons of Maggie Rebus paste. Bring it to a boil. Prepare a bowl of cornstarch solution to thicken the sauce. So when it's boiling, add in the solution bit by bit until the consistency is what you want. And you're done. So put all the ingredients in a plate and pour the sauce over. It's that simple. Now it's time for food testing. Tastes like a Maggie Rebus, but with the instant noodle taste. It tastes like instant noodle. Oh wow, I'm talking about, of course it tastes like instant noodle, right? Well, the taste is special, but nice. Taste is still worth a try. It's just the same sauce with different texture. Go on, try it and let us know how it tastes in the comment section below. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Cheers!